Managing orders and positions. The app provides three elements for managing orders and positions. Order labels, positioned at the order or position opening price and indicate its location, display order information, and can be highlighted in any color. Order management panel, shows a list of orders and positions, designed to analyze the status of orders and positions, and also provides access to managing the order grid. Selected order management panel, gives access to the parameters of an order or position and its management functions. To set up labels and the order management panel, go to the Order Labels tab in the settings. Choose the information to display on the label for the order or position opening price. Pick the information to show on the Stop Loss and Take Profit labels. Choose how to place the labels and the order control panel on the chart. Placement of order and position labels. Labels are placed from right to left. Labels are placed from left to right. Place order and position labels on the same X-coordinate. If enabled, all new order and position labels will appear at the same X-coordinate, with the specified margin from the edge of the chart. After a label appears, the user can move it to any X-coordinate. If disabled, all order and position labels will be placed along the X-axis, with a specified step between labels. In this case, label coordinates are set automatically, and the user cannot move the labels. Location of the order management panel. If enabled, the order management panel will appear next to the original order label. If disabled, the order management panel will keep its position and will appear at the last saved coordinates. Location of the order management label. If enabled, the order management label will appear next to the original order label. If disabled, the order management label will keep its position and will appear at the last saved coordinates. Setting up the management panel for orders. Choose the information displayed on the panel. Specify which side of the chart the panel will collapse to. Check the All Symbols box if you want to display orders and positions for all symbols on the panel. Check the Grid box if you want to show the Grid tab. Check the Close Order Grid box if you want to use the function that closes pending orders in the grid. Here's how this feature works. If there are positions in the grid, and these positions are later closed, for example, by Take Profit, the app will automatically close the remaining pending orders in this grid. Set the maximum number of rows on the panel. To display order labels on the chart, click the button in the app menu. Use the buttons on the order management panel to hide unnecessary labels on the chart. To change the label color, click the button with the order number. To sort orders and positions in ascending or descending order, click the column header. To change the profit display setting or show virtual stop loss and take profit levels, click the column. On the Grids tab, you can see a list of grouped orders and positions opened using the Order Grid function, the Duplicate Orders function, or created manually with the Plus Grid button. To go to the order and position group settings, click the gear button. The Grid tab has the following functions. A list of orders and positions included in this group. You can add or remove orders from the group using the checkboxes. Take profit and stop loss for orders and positions in the group. On this tab, you can edit the stop loss and take profit for the entire group of orders at once. The trailing stop function, which applies to all positions in the group at the same time. You can set activation based on the specified price or the break-even price of all positions in the group. The break-even function, which applies to all positions in the group at the same time. The distance can be measured from the specified price or the break-even price of all positions in the group. Closing all orders and positions in the group. Closing only profitable positions in the group. Partial closing of all positions in the group. Automatic closing of a group of orders and positions when their profit or loss reaches a set value. A feature that allows you to automatically close the most unprofitable positions in an order grid. Here's how it works. The app searches the order grid for the most unprofitable position whose loss is equal to or less than the value specified in the minimum loss parameter. Once it finds a losing position, it starts selecting profitable positions whose profit covers the loss of the unprofitable position, while still leaving a profit equal to or greater than the amount specified in the additional profit parameter. Once the positions are selected, it closes them. This way, the loss from the losing position is covered by the profit from the profitable position, and the total profit from closing these positions will be equal to or exceed the additional profit value. You can use several profitable positions to cover a losing position, and the maximum number can be specified in the quantity field. For example, if the number is 3, the app can use anywhere from 1 to 3 profitable positions, with additional positions being used only if the first one doesn't bring enough profit. To open the control panel for a selected order, click the button on the order label or the gear button in the order management panel. The order management panel includes the following tabs: editing take profit and stop loss for the order or position. For a pending order, changing the opening price of the pending order and editing the trailing function of the pending order. Editing virtual take profit and stop loss. Editing the trailing stop function. Editing the break-even function. Editing the partial position close function. Full or partial position closure. For a pending order, deleting the pending order, setting its expiration time, and setting the price at which the pending order will be removed.